Yours truly, Ricky Shotta. Well, this is the Mind of the Madman segment. Yes, I did say Mind of a Madman. Each and every Wednesday, we're going to be doing a little thing called Mind of a Madman. The reason why we're calling it Mind of a Madman, because certain things that we're going to be discussing on Wednesdays is going to be a little different. You might agree with it, you might not agree with it. I might agree with it, I might not agree with it, but it's for you to decide. Again, it's Mind of a Madman. Yes, it's my mind, how I think of certain things. You might not agree with it, but your choice. So here it is, coming down to the time of season's greetings. We just passed Thanksgiving. Then right after that is going to be Valentine's Day. Then after that is going to be Mother's Day. Well, let's not forget, after that, the one that y'all forget is Father's Day. But with these times as you call given, within that, it's going to be birthdays and holidays. And anniversaries, I'm sorry. But within these times, right? Why do we have to wait till once a year to celebrate these things? Why can't it be all year around that we cherish the person that we're celebrating? Why do we have to wait till it's Christmas to say, hey kids, let's gather around the Christmas tree and open up all these gifts? Why can't these kids open up a gift every day? Or you give them something every day? Meaning, don't have society have you thinking that you have to give something when it comes around Christmas time alone, or Thanksgiving. Why it has to be only once a year that you gather with your family and you gather around a table and a turkey and all this food, and you're giving thanks for what you're thankful for. It shouldn't be once a year. It should be all the time. Society has us thinking that we have to wait till once a year to celebrate, or an anniversary to celebrate your significant other, or a birthday to celebrate the life of someone. No, let's not do that. Let's do something different. Let's celebrate each other's lives every day, 365 days of the year, because within that 365 days of the year, you never know what's going to happen. Again, this is my thoughts, not yours. Anniversaries, why do we have to really wait until it's that date to celebrate that juncture, that union? Why do we have to do that? You should celebrate that every day. Christmas, you have these kids thinking, oh, I have to get something on Christmas. Even Valentine's Day. Why you have to wait till Valentine's Day to send all these flowers and chocolate or whatever to make that person feel special? You should make that person feel special every day of their life that you are together. Don't wait till once a year. Don't wait till Thanksgiving to say, hey, let's gather the family together and go out of town and we celebrate and we do all of this. Let's do it all the time. Let's celebrate one another. Let's not wait or let society itself make us feel like we have to wait till that one time a year. Because again, you might be killing yourself to grab all these gifts for Christmas, and you don't know what you're going to do comes January, because you put all your money and stuff into buying gifts for Christmas. Yes, it's a time of giving. It's a time to be kind. It's a time to be nice. But let's not wait till once a year to celebrate one another. Let's not wait till Thanksgiving to be thankful. Let's not wait till Valentine's Day to give these flowers and cards. Let's not wait till birthday time to give a gift. Because at the end of the day, life is short, life is precious, and anything can change in the blinking of an eye. So like I said, let's not wait until that time of year to celebrate one another. Let's just celebrate one another all year round. And again, like I said, this is Mind of a Madman. Just my thoughts. You don't have to agree with it. But you might agree with it. And it might be some truth that I'm talking. Again, Mind of a Madman. Stay tuned for In the Kitchen with Ricky Shotta. We cooking up some stuff. So keep on the lookout. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We in the building. We ain't going nowhere. We're doing something different each and every Wednesday. Mind of a Madman. Mind of a Madman. Mind of